name is Ebenezer Anifoshe. I'm the founder of Healthucate Nigeria and the creator of the Life Champ Health and Fitness board game. I have a master's degree in nutrition with public health management from Sheffield Hallam University in the United Kingdom. My passion as a public health specialist is to promote positive behavior change in diet and lifestyle for the prevention and management of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and cancer. My innovation, the Life Champ Health and Fitness board game, is a tabletop board game which helps children aged 7 years and above and adults to inculcate positive lifestyle habits. While playing the game, they also get to participate in about 10 minutes of physical activity. NCDs are entirely preventable, yet 38% of global deaths occur as a result of NCDs. It's been reported that 80% of this burden lies in low to middle income economies, mostly in Africa. In 10 years, if nothing is done, the burden in Africa will increase by 27%. And in 20 years, the cost on government healthcare budgets will be to the tune of $7 trillion. Therefore, the Life Champ Health and Fitness board game is a sustainable and cost-effective solution that addresses the problem of health illiteracy and reduces people's risk for non-communicable diseases. The game can be used at home during family recreation time and can also be used in a school setting as an educational aid, whether in the classroom or on the playground. This is because the themes of the game, which are food and nutrition, exercise and lifestyle, and safety and hygiene, cover aspects of the curriculum for core subjects such as basic science and physical and health education. The Life Champ Health and Fitness board game also promotes immediate benefits as it improves child's logical reasoning, memory, and social interaction skills. It's been 2 years working on this game, and finally a working prototype which is ready for mass production to be launched into the market. I look forward to a world where preventable non-communicable diseases are no longer prevalent. Thanks for listening.